Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to see when you joined BeReal app. So the first thing you have to do is obviously you have to create a profile. You already have a profile. Go here to your profile icon, and here as you can see it says join BeReal in September of 2022. Now if you go to edit profile, you can't actually edit this. So just so you know, but yeah, here you can see when you join. Also you can see when your friends join. If you go to your friends icon right here, and if you go to my friends, and if you go to your friends here, as you can see, you will see that this friend joined BeReal in September as well, and we are friends since 4 days, as you can see right here, which is awesome, right? So this is basically how you can see when you joined, when your friends joined, and when your friendship started with your friends as well, which is awesome. So if you have any other questions around BeReal, if you want to know more about BeReal, how to use it on your computer or anything else, go to our channel and visit our most recent videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.